Yeah. What else? We got Bob. And who's driving today?
What?
Who's driving today?
Our special guest, son.
Sonic, huh? So we're number 66. We hope we win today, huh?
Yep.
So you got the other boat too?
We got about 3 boats here.
We got 3 in total, yes sir.
Well, actually 4 if you count this one.
What you think? There's a lot of people here? A lot of people or not much?
And today, everybody, we are doing a bunch of videos with a bunch of people. So if you get a chance to come over here, you get a chance to get recorded by this mini bug with the GoPro.
We already did
We already did
the boat cam.
Yeah, we're doing a little bit of fans over here. So if you want a chance to be recorded and be on a video, then now's your chance.
You want to show your car around? Put a mini boat in there so nobody step on it. Let's see. What's around? Show me. Oh, we got a mess inside, huh? Look at Sonic. Sonic can't reach the wheel. Hi. Daddy. Okay, buddy.
I made him reach the wheel.
You need a hat? Because you're red. You want to show me the school this time or not?
Yes.
Who's that?
That is Bob Jr.
Bob Jr.
If you guys want to see his mouth down here.
Yeah, let's see. Let's see how. What? Okay.
Every time when we turn this engine on,
Yes, he moves his mouth, huh?